Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, we are tackling a common formatting issue in Microsoft Word: how to center your text perfectly, both horizontally and vertically on the page. First, select the text you want to center. To center the text horizontally, head up to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the paragraph group, click the center alignment icon. Alternatively, you can just use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-E. Now, your text is centered from left to right. To center it from top to bottom, navigate over to the Layout tab. Click on Margins, then select Custom Margins at the very bottom of the drop-down menu. This will open the Page Setup dialog box. Click on the Layout tab located at the top of this new window. Look for the section labeled Page. You will see a drop-down menu for vertical alignment. By default, this is set to top. Go ahead and change this to center. Click OK. Your text is now perfectly centered right in the middle of the document. This method is incredibly useful for creating professional cover pages, title screens, or flyers. If this quick tip saved you some time, make sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.